Okay, let's look at how we create a few of what you would consider summary type queries that we can base reports on. Now, of all the information over here, I might want to know something like how many total students are accounting majors. Or I might want to group a report so it groups all my accounting majors and tells me how many of them I have, and then groups all of my IT majors or business majors. So these are normally what you would think of as subtotals, averages, groups, summary type information. Okay, first off, you have to make sure that in your query, what's available are the fields that you're wanting to display just for general information, plus the field that you're wanting your numeric information based on. So if I wanted to know, again, something like everyone grouped by major code, then I would have to go down here and have major code as one of my fields. If I want everything based by semester to know how many students each semester, then I'm going to have to group by my semester. So the thing is, you want to make sure that it's going to want to group by whatever fields you put in there. Now, if I want to do things like counts, well, there's not really anything in here that I could add up for a count. It would just count each row. Okay, but we're doing a sum of totals. So I can look up here and see that there's a totals. So when I click on it, it's going to ask me what I want my total grouped by. So if I want to group by major code, then I would have major code here. Instead of sum of total, I might want to count how many of them. So I could change this sum of the total into a count. And when I click there, it'll come up and show me all I really have in here. If I want to put information there. Again, my group bys are here. I can group by average, sum, count. It'll give me all that information, but I want that sum added as my last column, so I click on it. So that's going to get you a majority of what you want just to arrange information to get summary type information. So when I run this, and unfortunately it's going to take a little bit when I run this. No, that's right, I left it up a while ago. It will show that it grouped it by the primary, and then it'll go to the secondary. Notice on time it has a 1, 2 of the ones. That's because the primary grouping was the first one, which was semester. Now I have 3 of them, but that's because I had the other grouping was also time. So it couldn't put all the fall 215s as one row because I said I wanted them also subgrouped by the time. If I would have taken time out, then I only would have had fall 15 and spring 16, and it would have taken these 3 and added them together. So hopefully this will help you in creating the queries.